Zimbabwe honors defense forces. Our citizens wonder what and who they are now defending. Sana pena mashukobula yukachin Heroes Day, Defense Forces Day. 2 days, one question. What are we really celebrating now? But was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Remember, be removed in Zimbabwe poses every August to commemorate two sacred pillars of its national story, Heroes Day and Defense Forces Day, placed deliberately back to back. These holidays are not a coincidence on the calendar, but a construction of memory. One day honors those who fought to create the nation. The Tuesday honors um, those tasked with defending it. Together, they are meant to form a seamless narrative of collective sacrifice, sovereignty, and continuity. I mean, we honor teenagers who left school, parents not knowing, cross borders, and returned as terrorists to a regime that wanted them dead or alive. We honor soldiers who stayed in uniform to defend a nation they helped create. Come post-independence, in different missions across Africa and beyond, many of these military figures um, saw up close how undressed national questions and grievances can easily turn into instability, prolonged conflict, or war. These are the men and women who know better than anyone else that peace is not a mere parade, but that it is product of justice for all. It is a product of respect of the masses, the majority and the minority. It is a product of fairness, dignity, and opportunity for all. Lest we forget, the Heroes' Day is for both those who never came back and for those who did come back, scarred, disillusioned, yet still carrying the burden of a promise that Zim would belong to its people as a collective. However, the deeper question today is whether the Zim of today still reflects the values these 2 days are meant to embody. I mean, these holidays were meant to legitimize a national identity rooted in a collective sacrifice toward a shared, brighter future for all. Starting with the downtrodden, the holidays are also meant to unify generations under a shared history, to pass that history to these born after independence. Doma developments are kuda pangwa. Pina kwa message shemedu zofumira aimot kudivu mzuri pichitu kwechi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.